After about 4 hours in the stomach, food changes to chyme and moves into the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of our digestive system. It is about 7.5 meters long and highly coiled in structure. It is the part where most of the nutrients of the food are absorbed. Liver and the pancreas also join the digestion. Liver secretes bile juice stored in a gallbladder and helps in the digestion of fats, whereas pancreatic juice breaks down proteins and carbohydrates. After that, partly digested food reaches the small intestine and intestinal juice break down carbohydrates into simple sugars such as glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids, and completes the digestion of the food. Now the digested food passes into the bloodstream. We call this process absorption.